Two of the biggest players in the investing app world, Robinhood and SoFi Invest, are battling for your portfolio. But which one actually gives you the edge? On one side, the pioneering and ultra-popular Robinhood. On the other, the fast-growing and feature-packed SoFi Invest. We're putting both to the test in real scenarios that matter. Fees, features, ease of use, customer service, and more. Let's move past the hype and headlines and dive into what really counts. We'll award points in each category, so you'll have a clear winner by the end. The final verdict might just surprise you. You'll have a clear winner by the end. The final verdict might just surprise you. Invest. Alright, here's the roadmap. We'll break this down by fees and commissions, investment options, platform and user experience, safety and regulation, bonuses and rewards, and then all those banking and extras. Okay, got it? Let's hit up the first category. So, starting with fees and commissions. Robinhood obviously is known for zero commission trading on stocks and ETFs. Like, that's their whole thing, right? No account minimums, which is awesome if you're just starting out. The catch? Crypto trades do come with a fee, about 1%. Now, SoFi Invest matches the whole commission-free vibe for stocks and ETFs, plus no account minimums again. They even throw in low-cost, automated investing robot traders for people who want to kick back, though crypto trading is a bit pricier here. But honestly, for everyday trading, they're neck and neck. Let's call this one a tie. Alright, next up, investment options. Robinhood brings you the basics. Stocks, ETFs, options, even crypto. But it definitely falls short if you want mutual funds or more diverse assets. SoFi Invest, though, adds on automated portfolios, which I think is fantastic if you don't want to pick stocks yourself, crypto. And, get this, even IPO access for regular folks. Sure, it's not as heavy on complicated options trading, but it just gives you more paths to grow your cash. SoFi grabs the win here, no contest. Now, let's talk platform and user experience. Robinhood? Their mobile app is genuinely slick, super beginner-friendly, instant deposits, and it just feels fast. But if you need in-depth research or analysis, it's kind of bare bones. SoFi Invest isn't bad at all. The interface is clean, and they serve up lots of educational tools, which is perfect if you're just learning the ropes. Sometimes it feels a little packed maybe, like too many options in your face at once. For pure ease of use, Robinhood still edges ahead. They really nailed that streamlined vibe. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Robinhood basically started the whole zero commission thing back in 2015? Everyone else just had to keep up after that. And safety and regulation, both have SIPC protection, and both are legit under FINRA and the SEC. Robinhood, though, has had those infamous outages in the past. You remember all those memes, right? SoFi is a newer player, but honestly, they're covered on all the bases too. Just from a safety perspective, both get full marks. It's a tie. Bonuses and rewards. This is where things get a little spicier. Robinhood has the occasional free stock or promo, but the sign-up bonuses? They're honestly kinda small. Meanwhile, SoFi Invest dishes out some big sign-up bonuses and referral offers as long as you're willing to drop a bigger deposit. So, if you're hunting for free money, SoFi is the move here. Last up, banking and extras. Robinhood, yeah, they've got some cash management features, but that's really about it. No integrated loans or actual banking. SoFi, though, is like the overachiever of the group. Banking, student loans, mortgages, all in one place, right inside the app. The only bummer? Some features are US only. Still, SoFi takes this category by a mile. So, looking at these categories all together, Robinhood absolutely nails simple trading, but SoFi kinda dominates when it comes to extra features, investment options, and bonuses. Kinda obvious when you put it all out there, right? Okay, bottom line, if you just want fast, budget-friendly trading with an easy interface, Robinhood is a great fit. But if you're after more than stocks and like having banking, smart portfolios, and sweet sign-up bonuses, SoFi Invest is just the more complete package. So, yeah, SoFi comes out on top for most folks. If you found this helpful, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe and stick around for the next one. Catch you.